Now it aims to engage, it aims to rally, and it aims to deliver. It aims to engage the youth, especially in the grassroots, para mas mapag-usapan nila, mas magkaroon ng diskusyon at maunawaan nila kung gaano ba talaga tayo naapektuhan ng mga issues ng climate change ngayon at maging ang ating kinabukasan. It also aims to rally the voice of the Filipino youth towards the 2015 Climate Change Conference of Paris. Dahil ang gusto natin ay hindi na umabot ng 2 degrees ang global warming. Dahil alam naman natin ang mangyayari pagkatapos kung sakaling lumampas pa tayo doon. And it aims to deliver. Iko-consolidate ang lahat ng boses ng mga Pilipino. Kasama ng official Philippine position na i-deliver na walang iba kundi Secretary Lucien Serene sa presidente ng Paris who sits as president of COP21. Kaya mahalagang mahalaga ang lahat ng boses natin ngayon. Ngayong araw na to at pagmula magsimula ang Now PH campaign patungong December papuntang Paris.
Kapag kailangan mo ng solid, major, at stellar na pagbabago sa mundo, laging kabataan ang inaasahan. Today is another opportunity. Another opportunity for young people to be trailblazing, for young people to push the envelope when it comes to climate change. This kind of climate change has been affecting us, and we will put an end to this.
Not in our watch will we allow an increase in temperature above 2 degrees. We will be defined on how well we survive. It's not how bad we suffer. Dadalhin po natin ang signature 1 million at sabihin natin sa mga Pranses, utang na loob. Huwag na po tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa.